Why does rain smell so good? When rain falls on dry soil, magic happens. The soil releases natural oils. Plants also release a special scent. Bacteria in the soil produce a smell. This smell is called petrichor. Rain washes dust from the air. Clean air smells fresh and cool. Our nose enjoys this earthy fragrance. Rain refreshes nature. Plants feel happy after rain. The smell tells us nature is clean. It makes us feel calm and peaceful. Rain connects us to the earth. That's why rainy days feel special. Nature has its own perfume.